back, everybody. MTBS. And boy, have we got a treat for you. Today we have a 1970 MGB Roadster. In less than pristine condition, but it's still a fun car to drive. See what I mean? So yeah, what do we got? We got a cute little British Roadster, putting down a ton of power. Oh yeah, 80 horsepower at the crank. But that's not what this car is about. This car is the epitome of the phrase I'm sure you've heard a lot. It's more fun to drive a slow car fast than it is to drive a fast car slow. And this is a slow car, and it's fun to drive fast. Doing about 45 miles an hour, and I'm at the limits of the traction and suspension, and it feels great. Throw the thing around, feels awesome. So, 1970 MGB, I got about 70,000 miles on it here. It's seen better days. I'll do the walk around here. Got a lot of rust, a lot of Bondo. I replaced the floors in it last year. So, it's never going to be pretty. But who cares? It's a fun car to drive, and we're going to drive it. cc 4-cylinder, 4-speed transmission, never seems to be in the right gear. Manual brakes, manual steering. Tossable as all hell. Kind of point and shoot unless there's bumps in the corner, and the steering just goes all to shit if there's bumps in the corner. The seats are flat. This one's sunk down and springs are gone in it, so I'm kind of sitting on the floor. It's giving me a little more lateral support, but all I've got is a lap belt here. That doesn't help any. You just hold on to this steering wheel, hang on for dear life. It's all good. Damn it, we got traffic. I'll I'll hit the pause button up here. Continue our RideJawn without a stupid ass truck in front of us. But as you can see, gorgeous day. And you know, the car's nice to just cruise along in too. Arm on the windowsill, feeling the sunshine. Nothing wrong with that either. Oh good, he's turning. Alright. Get this show on the road. Oh yeah, look at the floor. There's 50 miles an hour. Just flying. But on back roads like this, it's almost perfect. Car stock about. Tires are modern radials in the closest size you can kind of get. And I got EBC brake pads in there, green stuff I think, which are starting to feel better now that they're nice and warm. Exhaust is kind of straight through. There's still one resonator back there, but the muffler rusted through long ago. And yeah. So I've got plans for this thing, as you might have seen at the end of one of my other videos. We're putting a 5-liter V8 in it. I bought a Ford F-150. We're pulling the motor out. It's got a 5-speed transmission. We're just using the whole thing, doing it cheap and quick as possible. So I wanted to get out here and do a test run, nice little RideJawn, before we tore it all apart, so we can see it before and the after. I think the after is going to scare the ever-living shit out of me on a road like this, but it'll be fun. Loud, noisy, fast, tire burnout. Good times. So I hope you enjoyed this little RideJawn. And hit subscribe on the YouTube channel down there, and you'll be able to keep track of our progress on this project. I'm going to do a lot of little episodes as we get closer to working on it. Hopefully we can get some work done before the winter hits. And yeah, there's more in store. And I'll be doing some more RideJawns. I got my ZX6 Ninja rat bike and my CBR 1100 XX Super Blackbird. I'll also be doing that soon. So stay posted. Catch you guys later.